Hey guys, Tamika here. Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I just wanted to sit down and just play some makeup today. I feel like I haven't done that in a while, and just show you guys what I'm doing, what I'm using, and all that good stuff. So if you guys are interested in seeing a simple makeup tutorial, stay tuned. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit that notification bell so you are notified when I do upload a video. And let's get started. In today's video, I thought I would go back in and play around in the 35G Morphe Bronze Goals palette. If you guys don't know, I did do a review on this palette. I will link it up here in the iCard. You guys will be able to go ahead and check that out after this video. But I was a little bit less than pleased with this palette, and I was so sure that I was gonna take it back. But like with all things, I hate returning stuff just because I feel like it's a hassle and I just don't really feel like it. So that's why this never got returned. So I felt like, you know what, I still have it. Let me just play it again, give it a second chance, see if it's still doing what it does. But yeah, when this first came out, it sold out pretty fast, so I was not able to get it. But then I finally got my hands on it and used it, and it was just, to me, it was just not up to par. The formulations of the shadows were kind of dry, mostly the shimmers. Mostly the shimmers in this palette were very dry. The mattes were pretty okay and they were nice and blendable, but the shimmers is where the problem was. But like I said, I'm just here playing in makeup today. I don't really have anywhere to go, and I just felt like sitting down and dressing up. I haven't been feeling too good lately, so I felt like I'm feeling a little bit better now, so why not just sit down and play in some makeup. Alright, so first up, I think I'm going to go in with this brown color right here. Don't know what it's called because I lost that sticker thing, and I'm just gonna put this all over the eye. This is just like a nice neutral all over the eye color. It's a little bit warm, so it's not really matching my skin tone. It's just a hint warmer. I don't really mind that. I'm not really sure what kind of look I'm going for today. I just know it's going to be super simple because I have another video that I want to go ahead and record for you guys, and I just want to make this really quick because I'm kind of like doing two things in one right now. So you guys will be seeing this look in another video. And then kind of like right on top of that color, I want to go in with this brown color right here, which is just like a warmer brown. And I think I want to place this, maybe I'll start on the outer corner and see what happens. I like this color because it definitely warms up the eye, and it's like a nice, rich, chocolatey brown. Alright, and so next up I want to go in with this brown right here, which is like a deeper brown, and I kind of just want to put that in the outer corner of the eyes just to deepen it up a little bit more. I really like this brush. This is a Morphe M43, no wait, a Morphe M433 brush, and it's kind of like, it's flat. It's like a flat blending brush. I don't know if you can kind of tell that there, but it's not very round. It's like flat. I don't know. I think this will kind of be comparable to a MAC 217. I think that's a really popular blending brush from MAC, but that blending brush is not like a fluffy round blending brush. It's kind of like this, and I really like this because it's easy to get. It lays flat, and it kind of disperses the color very like nicely and like seamlessly. That's why I like using these to kind of like do this outer corner and just like build it up and blend it in. First I like to pat it on there just to deposit most of the color, and then I kind of just like brush it in to blend it further. And then going back in with the original brush that I placed everything with, just to kind of blend the outer edges. And just for like a little pop of fun color, just to kind of go with this yellow brightness we have going on in the background, I think I want to go in with this orange color right here. I don't know if you can see it. If I bend it like that, you can kind of see this like a really nice golden coppery orange. And then I want to go in with my finger and place that maybe in the center or the inner corner of my eye. Yeah, let's go ahead. I'm going to start with patting it first. Only reason why I can get really nicely on my eyeball with this is, as you can tell, I need to get my fingernails done. It's really bad. I feel like I haven't done anything for myself in like a really long time. Isn't that usually the case? But yeah, I'm really missing my nail lady right now. But I'm using it to my advantage because it's really helping get this stuff on my eye. And then go back in with the brown for the outer corner and just blend that in a little bit more. Ever so lightly. Alright, so I'm back and I have lined my waterline with a black NYX eye pencil. Now I'm just going to go ahead and on the waterline and place the browns that I have on my eye underneath just to kind of follow that whole look there. So I'm going to start off with the dark brown that I have on the outer corner. And right on top of that, or right underneath it, I'm going to put the lighter brown. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara. This mascara I really like because it's got a really tiny wand, and this is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. And I have like little baby lashes, so you can't really tell that I have lashes. But this kind of allows me to get like right into the roots and roll it so they kind of like fan out just a little bit. I mean, it doesn't do much to it because you still can't see it afterwards, but still gotta put it on. And then I'm gonna put on my lashes. I'm not sure what lashes I want to put on yet. I have to find some, but once I put them on, I'll come back and let you know what I put on. Alright, so I am back with lashes on, which took me a minute because, you know, lashes. But the lashes that I do have on this side is kind of like too far out, so it's kind of droopy. Oh well. But the lashes that I do have on are the Vegas Nay Allure lashes, and this is in the style Grand Glamour. This is like super old. These lashes are super old. I don't even know if they're still in store. They probably are, but I've had this for like a year and a half. Alright, so the inner corner of my eye, I think I want to go in with this like really light champagne gold kind of color. Ugh. I'm remembering why I hated this palette, because the pigmentation when you need it, like, but where is it? I'm putting it on. Do you see it? Because I don't, you know what? We're just gonna find another color, and I think what I'm gonna go into, which I really, really love, what I'm gonna go in with is it's my Ray Ray palette. This is her second palette that she did with BH Cosmetics, and it is this colorful little bad boy right here. And I'm gonna go in with this bright yellow shimmery color, which is called Golden Girl. And I like this because all of the names are on the package and not on like some plastic film that you just lose. I wish more companies would start doing that because it's less annoying. So I'm gonna go in with Golden Girl and pop that right on the inner corner. And I mean, just okay. Okay, and I mean, just look at the difference. And honestly, I feel like the orange that was on top of my eye is kind of disappearing, but what can you do, you know? That's that palette for you. Sunny D is so good. Okay guys, so this is the final look of me just playing around in this 35G palette. Like I said, I wouldn't recommend you going out and getting this palette because it's not that great, to be honest, completely honest. It's not that great of a palette. This is just something that I had real close to me and I could just grab it and put some shadow on. But yeah, I like how the look turned out. It's very simple, it's very light and bronzy. Just something I wanted to come on here really quickly, play around in makeup and do something simple that you guys can follow along to. And for the color on my lips, I know I didn't show you that in the video, but I am wearing both of the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics lipsticks. I know there's a lot of controversy going around about these lipsticks, but if you guys want to see my review on these lipsticks, I don't know if I'm gonna have it before or after I post this video, but if it's out before I post this video, be sure to click that link up here because I'm going to have it tagged so you guys can go ahead and see it, or I'll have it linked down below. If I post this before that video comes out, stay tuned for that video because you guys will definitely want to check that out. But yeah guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!